Hi guys! Later we're gonna go to our open house. Okay, let's do it. Let's see my fit.
Cross country na lagi.
Ayun, doon ka na, ano?
That's in McDonald's. That's in McDonald's.
Ano ba ulit address?
Don't forget my jacket. Nope, not this kind of glass size. This kind of glass size. This one, bro. And even this one, bro. There was a starfish right here, and this one. There's another one that was like this. It's supposed to be more. This, and then look, open it right here. So sad. We look good with it. Let's take my filter off. There you go, much better. I don't think my mom's gonna use my machine. Let me just ask her.
Bahay, nagano na sila ng bahay? 3 tapos 290 lang yan. Hindi ko makakita dun sa loob.
Well, I can see. See, she's in here. She's in your phone now. Bye, guys. Bye.